Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
MLA jongka Maukurat constituency uba Renekton Lingdo Tongkhar. Ubolong ru Chairman jongka Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation hakan riu terik rumpang arajar arpo ula play patba ya ka lempong ya theritai lor kapang Bengal and North Eastern Region Green Innovation and Social Entrepreneurs ya ka bala pelong da ka Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise jongka Sarkar India hanong ba Shillong ka jingtmu ba pelong ya ka ni ka lempong ya theritai kalong ban pitchlori patba bakin kampai kamat sya ka basengkam lajong da ke jing pli lat pli lenti jongka sarkar ling baki scheme jingerap per baka Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise ka jirap haki babuan kiliang.
We are upgrading almost all our land custom stations. So the land custom station at Dauki is being upgraded into an integrated checkpost. So this facility, I think tendering has already been done. So we hope by next 2 years we will have the integrated checkpost at Dauki. It's a huge infrastructure of about 100 crore project, and the area is spread up to 22 acres. So a lot of facility will be provided there. And similarly, we are proposing to upgrade, say, the land custom station of Shala into an ICP, land custom station at Mahendraganj and Morsola. So besides that, we also have been upgrading our land custom stations in Dalu, Gosapara, and we are taking up more exit routes to be open in future. So Government of India has declared to have district export hubs in all the districts of the country, and the district commerce and industry centers of all our districts will also have a cell. That means the export. So we are working on it, and notification is being issued, I think, within this month only. And from next month, the district level export committee will be put in place. So Government of India is very keen of promoting exports, because that is where we've been lagging, especially in spite of having lots of raw materials in the states.
Who will be eligible to enroll themselves in MSME? Number one, we need to know. You see, most of our business entrepreneurs here in the state of Meghalaya, we falls under MSME, but we don't know. And many of the entrepreneurs, they have not registered themselves with MSME. I think you have to agree with me the fact that many business people here in Meghalaya, they have not enrolled themselves because they don't know what is the benefit and who are eligible to enroll themselves in MSME. My friends, all the business ventures that we are doing, may it be in manufacturing unit, may it be in the service sectors, those ventures in manufacturing unit which is less than 10 crores, if I said mistake, please correct me if I'm wrong. Those business which is below 10 crores in manufacturing unit are eligible to register themselves in MSME, plant and machinery. And in service sectors, if I'm not wrong, 5 crores. In service sectors up to 5 crores, those projects which is below 5 crores, you are eligible to register under MSME. So if you take that amount, many of the business ventures, many of the entrepreneurship here in Meghalaya, we falls under that category, under that class, and we are eligible to do that, to register under MSME. Point number two, we may ask, why should I register with MSME? Of course, we have to agree the fact that if I don't have the benefit, why should I spend my time to register, to enroll myself with MSME? So I want to dwell little more of my time on the benefit that you will get, that we will get from MSME by registering ourselves, by enlisting our name with MSME. First and foremost, which is very, very important for us, is to avail loan from bank. The Act, MSME Act 2006, it says that you don't require a collateral security to avail loan from bank. Collateral free loan from bank. Most of the business entrepreneurs, we are worried because we don't have collateral security and our proposal get rejected from bank. But if you are registered under MSME, you don't need the collateral security. That is very, very important. Another important thing is that 1% exemption on interest rate on overdraft. 1% exemption. Another thing is that 50% subsidy for trademark registration. 50% subsidy for trademark registration. And then another thing, eligible for industrial promotion subsidy. And then concession in electricity bill. You see all this benefit, concession in electricity bill. And then reimbursement of ISO certification. And then protection against delayed payments. Very, very important. Protection against delayed payment. And another thing, special consideration on international trade fairs. Special consideration. I think knowing all these benefits, it will enlighten us, it will encourage us that we should register ourselves, we should register our business with MSME. To those people who really need bank loan to get support from bank will ask many, many things. But that is the fact that bank, when they see that there are big balance in the bank account of any entrepreneur, those people who don't need bank loan, bank will go behind that person and they will offer, say, sir, please take loan. Please avail loan. In fact, he don't require, he don't need, but bank will offer and say, sir, please take loan from us. There was a saying that to those who have, they will give more, but to those who don't have, they may try even to extract what you have later. So I'm very sorry if I say this to my bankers, but that is the reality. And we have to understand also their problem, because they are worried so much about the repayment. And it's true also. They have also to work under lots of pressure from the higher authority to ensure that entrepreneurs whom they have financed, they have to ensure that he should pay regularly the loan. My dear friend, I want to bring to you another problem. To be an entrepreneur and to set up business in our community. Our problem is that in our community to do business, people they take as the last option. The last option when we could see no way out to earn our livelihood, then they will think we'll do business. I think as a society, we need to change our mind. We need to change our mind, and we will prioritize that business or entrepreneurship is one of the best. If we have the responsibility to create job, to create employment, I can say there is no other options. We cannot depend on the government to create job for us, each and everybody in the state of Meghalaya. And if we want to see that our people will get job in the state of Meghalaya, you all entrepreneurs, you are responsible to create job in the state of Meghalaya. I'm disappointed to see when I come from Gujarat, when I met many young people from the state of Meghalaya, from the state of Assam, they are working there. And when we inquired from there, from Gujarat, when I asked the entrepreneur there, they said we cannot get people from Gujarat to work in our factory because there are many job opportunities in the state of Gujarat, and they can get a better pay, better job anywhere. But what happened in the state of Meghalaya? In Northeast India as a whole, job opportunities is very, very less. My dear friends, and all the officers in different departments, I think it is the responsibility of each one of us to facilitate ourselves at whatever capacity that God has given us. We can facilitate to create job in this present world, present generation.